Hello again guys, I hope you are enjoying these vlogs. I'm actually going to get my eyebrow tattoo touched up today, so I thought that would be something fun to video. A lot of them, it's like my real hair now, so they are fading a lot. And like up here as well, especially on this side, you can see the arch. I go to a really good place here in New Plymouth, Hayley's Cosmetic Tattooing. She's seriously done my brows about 5 times now, including the touch-ups. She's just so good. I wouldn't go to anyone else. It makes a huge difference to me personally because on the tail of my eyebrows, there's just not a whole lot of natural hair. Previously, with no makeup days like this, I would feel quite self-conscious. Now I feel self-conscious because I've got acne. I feel really good about my brows now, so that's good. And today's actually the first day that I'm starting isotane, but I'm gonna start taking it after I get my cosmetic tattooing because obviously I want my skin to be like, I don't know, I feel like you probably couldn't get cosmetic tattooing at a guess if you are on like Accutane or something because it makes your skin so sensitive.
Some new colour.
Done the first like layer, would you say? Is that what it's called?
Yeah, the outline slash guide. Like.
Yeah, they look way better already.
Yeah, I love the fronts too.
Hello guys, so I just finished up at Hayley's. She is so good, oh my gosh. So firstly, if you guys haven't seen my other tattooing like FAQ video I did, they do heal up, so don't worry. Custom mixed a colour for me, which is going to be perfect once it heals up. As you can see, it's like a nice cool tone. They actually do look so dark in this camera, oh my gosh, but I just love, like, she brought the arch up higher on this side, which is going to be really nice for just like my facial symmetry. I also got some tat guard to put on it, which is cool. Usually I just use, yeah, like an oil-based product, like jojoba oil or something. If you do use an oil, apparently it can feather like the strokes and stuff within the first few days, which I did not know that. And I've used that in the past, so this one's just like beeswax and honey and stuff. In terms of pain, it's totally fine. I'm just gonna go home now and edit the rest of my other vlog to put up. It's like kind of confusing. Hello. I was just vlogging my outfit. It's just like a big poncho thingy, but it's so comfortable. You could also belt it, which would look cute. Underneath, if I get too hot, I've just got on like a woolen skirt. You can't even see. A woolen skirt and a little crop top. This is that one actually I got from hospice, if you guys remember. It was United Colours of Benetton. My hair's not agreeing with me, so I just clipped it back. Dior bag. My nails actually match because they're like grey. I just set up my iPhone X. My camera died in town when I was actually shopping for my iPhone, so I will show you it soon. I just set it up. I'm obsessed with it. I already ordered a case online. And yeah, it's so funny. I thought having no home button would be confusing, but it's really not. Just doing a Skype immersion session for a couple of sponsorships that I have coming up, and I wish I could say more about it. I'm gonna ask in the Skype call, like, am I allowed to talk about it yet, because it's very cool. You guys would be super excited. It's just gonna go for a few hours with a couple of brands, and I've got my little notebook. This was sent to me by Elizabeth Arden. Look how cute. So cute. And this pencil I stole from like a hotel. I'll actually be in Auckland tomorrow. I'm getting the extensions put into my hair. And yeah, I'll talk to you again after this meeting. Here's the phone. Look how sensitive it is. You just touch it. Yes, I have a Mavis as my lock screen at the moment. Looking like an adorable little floof. And yeah, it's really cool. There's no home buttons. You just like swipe up and it takes you to all your stuff. This is the app, by the way. I don't know how many of you guys follow me on Instagram, but I put it on my story. It's called Love Nikki. I got so many DMs asking what it was. This is not sponsored, by the way. I feel like when people include apps and videos, like, you might think it's sponsored, but oh, it's amazing. It is so like Japanese. It's everything. If you guys have ever had a Nintendo DS and you had that styling game, I forgot what it was called. Style Boutique. It's kind of like that. Add me. Wait, actually, I think you can add me. Friends. How do I like make friends? I've made one friend on here because you can like send each other stamina, which is like what you need. It's like in Candy Crush how you need stamina to do the levels. Wait, where am I? There's me. Search friends. Search friends? That's my number ID there if you guys want to add me. I'm level 22. It's not a joke. The other day I paid $8. I've never paid money for an app before, but I'd run out of stamina for the day. I really felt like playing it, so I paid $8, which is not okay. I'm all packed and ready.
Please refrain from accessing items in the overhead lockers and using the toilet at this time. We do recommend that you keep your seatbelt fastened.
Sarah G is almost here. So close. I was just saying to Liv I bought a car mount for my vlogs because she has one in her vlogs.
I got it from AliExpress.
If you guys want to watch more vlogs, I'll link Liv's channel down below. I think I last vlogged like in the airplane, but I'm now in Auckland. That means you have to help me. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. This is deep fried bun with condensed milk. What? I'm so excited. What even is this?
I've been able to hear it for a while.
Is it good? Yeah. Here we have the deep fried bun. To show the cute cut. So cute. I'm getting pretty much a hair transformation. You guys know I've had short hair for like a couple of years now, and I used to have like Rapunzel length hair back in the day, and I'm really missing it. I'm going to an exciting like trip in LA soon, and I just thought that having the longer hair would be perfect. I will be going to Disneyland as well, so yeah, it's just gonna be perfect. So this is my hair right now. I mean, it's all in the back as well, so it's quite thick. It's going to be quite challenging to get the extensions to blend in, I feel like. I'm going to Loxie's in Ponsonby, Auckland, which is in New Zealand, if you guys are in New Zealand. I've been there before for just my clip-in extensions. They're so beautiful. They're like premium hair, so silky. Today I'm getting permanent ones. I don't even know if they're like bonded in or if they like sew them in. Like, I don't know anything about hair, which is why I'm just gonna bring you guys along. I'm so ready to have my Rapunzel hair again. This is just like, I'm over it. I'm just staying at my friend's house, by the way. I just crashed here last night because I'm only here overnight. I literally flew up just for my hairdressing appointment. Is that extra? So I've got the Once at Sunnies. These are like the new thing. Everyone's tweeting me saying that they bought them. I'm like, yes, like 20 bucks sunglasses, love it. My jewelry is just a Marc Jacobs watch, a gold, like just jeweler, it's like no brand bracelet, and then this Michael Kors tortoiseshell one. I've just got on a grey top. This is from Maru ages ago. And then I'm just wearing like a quite casual-ish outfit. Hair thinned out because obviously some of the top bits are like too thick at the bottoms, but oh my gosh. Gosh, you guys, I'm actually obsessed. I'm so happy. Sorry if I'm really annoying and high-pitched, but I can't believe how natural they look. You guys know how thick my hair is. Like, I thought it would be a lot of work. Loxies, you are the best. Oh. Da, 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 da. Guys, look who I bumped into. I've been doing, our flights have both been delayed, so yeah, we were just both in Auckland for the day, and I saw on Insta stories.
I'm surprised this is the first time it's happened, to be fair.
I know, because we're like both always here. I love this bag. I'm so obsessed. I'm pretty sure Chris has this bag now as well.
I just switched back to it.
I'm the odd one out.
But it seems very stiff and like big now.
That's what I like about it though. Yeah. It's very like rigid. What you getting?
Some soup.
White bean soup.
I want some other stuff. I don't know if I'll be able
privilege.
to carry it.
I know, that's always the struggle. It was so funny seeing Shannon in Koru Lounge. I like knew that she was flying out at the same time as me, but we weren't sure if we were going to actually end up connecting. But we just bumped into each other, and I also got to meet Brody from the Hits, which was super cool. She was really nice, and she's a friend of my dad's. Now it's gone dark again. But yeah, I'll talk to you guys again tomorrow. So it's the next day now. I just slept with my hair on like a low plait. That's what they recommend, like a low loose plait. I've just done it in a tighter plait or braid. I feel like people call it braid overseas. I'm probably going to get some Kevin Murphy shampoo because I've heard that's good. I'm using Redken at the moment, but I just don't know like what's in it exactly. You do have to be careful with using like protein or keratin shampoos and treatments. You don't want to use those like on the actual hair itself. It's fine because it's just human hair, but you've just got to be careful with the little bonds because they are silicone. It can like make them slip down if you're using like really rich protein or like silicone treatments. But yeah, the main questions I just had were like maintenance and price. So in terms of price, for me I had over a full head, so it would obviously like be worth more just because my hair is so thick, and if you had really thin hair you might not need like a full head. My extensions I got colored, so there's so many factors. You'd be best off just contacting them. You just book in every 4 to 6 weeks and it's literally a fast appointment. They just move around the bonds by like a centimeter, and that just minimizes any damage on your natural hair, which I love because I'm still trying to grow it. The extensions themselves, they last about half a year to 9 months, I think it was. They literally just feel like my natural hair. And I think I said already, but they're micro weft extensions because everyone's asking what type are they. It's literally just like these little metal looking beads, and I just gently squeeze them onto your hair, and because there's silicone on the inside they just like grip your hair, and then when you get them reshuffled around at your like maintenance appointments, they literally just like squeeze the bead the other way and it just slides right off, like no damage to your natural hair, which is awesome. So yeah, I think that was everyone's questions so far, but if you guys have any more, just leave me a comment. But yeah, I'm not like a hairdresser, so if it's a really technical question you might be better off just asking a hairdresser or DMing Loxies or something. But overall I'm obsessed. Like comfy as to sleep on, so easy to brush, like I barely even feel the little things. It's only when you go right by your scalp you can feel them, so I just like brush it out. It's pretty much just like my old hair, except it's obviously slightly blonder, but they do them like that far from your roots, so it's not like tight or anything. Yeah, I'm obsessed with them, honestly. I love them so much. It really does look good. Like you see some girls with extensions and that's what kind of scared me. I was like, oh, like I don't know if it would blend with my hair because my hair's so thick, but they excel. And this hairstyle takes like 2 seconds and my hair just looks good, you know? Like I feel like myself again. So we're just en route to the supermarket and the couriers. Tamara and I are so sad because we're really behind with the maths and there's so many spoilers. Did you see that one I just sent you?
No, I didn't look at it.
It's another couple are like dating other people from the show.
Oh, I know one of them.
Yeah, I know one of them too.
What one?
They're more like spoiler
no, that's
everyone. Yeah. Although I'm pretty sure the whole rest of the world is like up to date besides us. Yeah, we need to have a catch-up session. It's been too bloody busy, but I've seen so many spoilers on Facebook. Yeah, Michael did a car karaoke. Like that's what it is. I can watch the end. I'm obsessed with my hair. Oh my gosh, your car's so beastly. Home with my groceries. Grocery haul. It's like the most boring probably groceries ever. Got bagged lettuce. I got carrots because I'm going to do rice paper rolls for dinner. So I'll cut them up tiny. Some cucumber. I already have the rice paper and the like Vietnamese noodles, the like glass noodles. Oh. Bread. I like the Bergen bread because it's like tiny, so I can have 2 pieces. And some tuna. Low-key sad that the Easter bunny is not going to come this year, but that's okay. I don't need it to be in my bikini in like a week and a half, so yeah, props don't need it, but you know, it's always nice to have Easter chocolate. But yes, I'm just going to put these groceries away and have some tuna on crackers for lunch, so I will end up this vlog here. I hope you guys really enjoyed it, and let me know if you want me to keep weekly vlogging. Like I've got lots of different things lined up to include in vlogs. I've got a whole bunch of product empties, which I thought I would just like put in a vlog instead of doing a dedicated video. I was thinking it would be quite cool in a vlog to try like 90s candy, because my friend Emma had this idea. We were talking about like Dunkaroos and stuff, like trying to find our old school candy from like dairies and stuff that we used to love. I mean, we call it lollies more so. I don't know why I'm saying candy. Yeah, let me know. That would be fun, I think, to try like nostalgic candy from our childhood. But yes, I'm off to have lunch, so I will talk to you guys again in my next vlog, and please subscribe if you have not already. Woo! Okay, bye!